Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Memphis here, skipping the intro this time. You guys know where I'm at, and you know, look at this beautiful weather. And this is 3 reasons why you should avoid getting a Metro Cruiser and buying yourself a Harley-Davidson. I own a Honda, a Cruiser, so I own a Metro Cruiser and I own a Harley-Davidson, so I know what I'm talking about. I can talk about experience. I could talk from experience about these top 3 reasons. Reason number one, you should get yourself a Harley-Davidson is that it's because it's a Harley-Davidson. That's the number one reason. It's a Harley. Reason number one is it's a Harley. Okay, that pretty much says it all. Is just the sound, the exhaust. I mean, it's mainly the sound and the exhaust, honestly. Harley-Davidson, that signature V-twin sound, you know, the single crankshaft engine, everything about it. You know, that's the number one reason is you want it because it's a Harley. Same thing with you know, sneakers. You go out there, you buy Jordans, and you know, you look at those sneakers and then you look at other sneakers and they're basically almost the same. It's just that one of them has Jordans. And the other one is just, you know, they're also made in China, but they just don't have the Jordan logo. So it's a knockoff, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Reason number two why you should get yourself a Harley-Davidson and not a Cruiser is the aftermarket. Honestly, the aftermarket for these bikes is compared to Metro Cruisers. Honestly, there's no comparison. When you get yourself a Harley-Davidson, the aftermarket for these bikes is crazy. There's hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of different customizable pieces, parts for your bike that you could just go ahead and buy and it'll bolt on. You don't even have to modify them. You don't have to modify or fabricate anything on these bikes. Basically, you're buying Harley-Davidson mainly because the customizability of these bikes. The customizability, you know, you have a whole lot of plug and play options out there. Everything I purchased on my bike, as you can see, has been modified. Everything was basically a bolt-on. I didn't have to customize anything. On my Shadow, on the other hand, just getting handlebars for that thing, I had to fabricate. I had to do a little bit of fabrication. I had to drill some holes, do some dimples, and modify that bike. Even the seat, I had to do some modification. So, I mean, it's not the same story for everything. You might find a couple parts that are specifically built and made for Metro Cruisers, but compared that to Harley-Davidson, the aftermarket is vast and wide when it comes to Harley-Davidson. Okay, so that's reason number 2. And reason number 3, let's think about this.
A few moments later.
All right, and that brings us to our last and final reason number 3 on why you should buy yourself a Harley, not a Metric. Reason number 3 is because those other bikes aren't Harley-Davidson.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And that's pretty much it. So reason number 1, because it's a Harley, and reason number 3 is because those other bikes are not Harleys, okay? And that's kind of funny in itself, because reason number 3 is kind of a mixture of reason number 2, reason number 1. The customizability of these bikes, the aftermarket on these bikes, and that signature sound and that feel. I don't know, it's something, it's just something different. You could buy kits, big bore kits, camshaft kits, stuff like that, built for this great M8 engine. So that'd be my 3rd reason. Is just those other bikes, they're not Harleys. So I know, probably not a good reason, but you know what? If you could if you could come up with a better reason than that, leave it in the comments below. You know, just kind of, you know, it's just kind of, it's tough because I own a metric cruiser, so I know. And the 3 reasons why you should they're pretty good reasons on why you should buy a metric, and you could go see that video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys have if you guys are watching this video, you honestly have a better reason than those 3, or maybe you have a better reason for the 3rd one, you know, maybe you guys can probably help me out coming up with the top 3 reasons why you should buy a Harley-Davidson. Maybe I'm just forgetting something, you know. So go ahead and leave your comments down below. Give me a good 3rd reason why you should buy yourself a Harley-Davidson. Me owning both metric and Harley, I know why I like riding this one more than I do my Honda. Because there you go, you see that? For that exact reason. Performance, the feel, the engine, the exhaust. I mean, look at these risers, 14 inches. You know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching. This is my 2nd outro, but look at this view. This is San Jose right here. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a good 3rd reason, please. You know, it's something that I'm forgetting. You guys, if you guys like motorcycle content, look at this. One more time. The sunset. This is a sunset of San Jose. Beautiful city. Not so much for the other stuff, but you know what? Weather, everything's nice. But okay, 3rd outro. Thanks for watching. You guys, give me a good reason in the comments why you should get yourself a Harley-Davidson and forget those fakes, those wannabes, those posters, or those posers. Sorry about that. Those posers, you know. Give me a good 3rd reason, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep on watching more motorcycle stuff. Hit that subscribe button. You don't have to hit the bell notification, but it'll help me out. Thanks. You guys have a good day. Stay out there. Get on your bike, metric, sport bike, whatever, Harley-Davidson. You get on that bike and you ride. Because the summer's here and it's very depressing. 2020, bad times, strange times. But you guys get out there, enjoy yourselves, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Later.